Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is June 1st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we just had the non-farm payroll report released. It came out with 223,000 jobs, better than expected. I think the market was looking for 188,000. Markets right now are higher by 11.25 points. So there are some pros and cons. One, the job report was very, very strong. Unemployment rate is the lowest it's been, I think, since 1966. But here is the one caveat that traders have to watch for. Interest rates are now going to increase, and we're looking for a rate hike in June, and we're probably going to be looking at another rate hike in September. So again, the market has June factored in. I think probably mostly they do, but again, I'm not sure they have September factored in, and this makes a strong push for a September rate hike as well. So we'll see how today plays out. Again, the higher interest rates go, the worse it will be for stocks. Obviously, in the short term, in the longer term, things could iron themselves out. But let's see how it plays out today. We'll see where we go. Right now, futures on the S&P 500 up 11.25 points to 27.16 per contract. All right, we got lots of stocks in the news. Let's get started here. I think the most important stock of the day is going to be Costco. Ticker symbol COST, big retailer here. Stock closed at 198.24. It is now trading at 194.05. I'm going to have a level ready to go this morning for Costco. So again, that'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Yesterday we had a nice level on Dollar Tree, played out perfectly. And again, we're going to look to keep that going today. So we'll see how that plays out. Lululemon is also in the news. Another retailer here, sports apparel maker. Stock right now is trading at 112.20. This is a new all-time high. The only negative I see for Lululemon is it's getting a bit overbought. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be chasing it up here. This stock has had an amazing run, probably the strongest retailer out of the group that I can see over the last few months. Let's take a look here at MRVL, which is Marvell, chip player here. The stock right now is trading at $21.55, basically right where it closed. So we're not going to make much out of it, but we'll keep it on the radar today. Buy some chance. If this gets down to $18.80, I like it there. So again, it's really not moving around all that much, but if it falls and it gets down to $18.80, I do like Marvell at that level. Let's take a look at VMware. VMW is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 141.51, closed at 137.48. So all in all, when you look at VMware showing a little bit of strength, I'm not in love with this move in VMware this morning. I think the trend is up. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much with it yet. We'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Workday, WDAY. This is coming under some pressure. Stock closed at 130.96. Right now trading at 125.95. I'm not really seeing much to do here. There's still a lot of support in the low 120s. I'd say 122 area. So it would have to go down that low for me to start even getting interested in a name. But again, we'll be keeping it on the radar today, and we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at ULTA, which is Ulta Salon, or Ulta Cosmetics as it's called now, Ulta Beauty. Stock right now is trading at 234.37. This closed at 246.91. Now just understand this is a light volume equity, and what I mean by that is it rarely trades a million shares a day. So right now, if I could give you a level on this one, I would, but right now you'd have to go probably to 225, maybe 227 handle, right around there. There definitely will be a lot of support in that vicinity. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. But again, this is a lighter volume name, and you got to be careful with that. They can overshoot a bit. Let's take a look at Big Lots. BIG is the ticker symbol here. This stock right now is trading at $37. It closed at $40.91. I'll be working on levels for Big Lots. Hopefully I'll have them posted up in the intraday stock chat room. I think I have a couple of levels that this stock could find some serious support. But again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings, and I'll be working on that in a few moments. Let's take a look at Abercrombie & Fitch, ticker symbol ANF. This is trading at 24.98, closed at 23.85. So this is upticking $1, and I believe this is on the back of earnings. I just don't see a lot of upside here, but we'll look at it again once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where we go. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting hit now, down about $8 at the moment, trading at $1,296 and I think 70 cents an ounce. Let's take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. You're going to see this trading at 122.52. So again, still some support here on the GLD around 121 today. If it does get down there, I'm not sure it will fall that much, but if it does, we'll watch it there and we'll see if that support level gets hit. That could be a bounce play. Let's take a look here at crude oil, down 70 cents today to $66.34 a barrel. We'll go to the USO, which is a good oil ETF that tracks the movement there. This trading right now at 13.42, closed at 13.55. So you have gold and oil both down. That usually means the dollar is up, and that certainly is the case this morning. Dollar getting a nice little uptick, but still well off of its highs from 2 days ago, but the dollar right now upticking, and that is putting some pressure on gold, and we see some pressure on oil this morning. Once again, if you haven't done so, yesterday we had a blockbuster day in the intraday stock chat room. We'll see what we get today. Hopefully we have another great session. We've had a great 2018. If you haven't done so and you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Give it a test drive, see what it's all about. And again, we should have pretty good movement out here. Right now, futures catching a little bit more of a bid, trading up about 15.75 points at the moment. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.